Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 different work-at-home jobs and their websites that are hiring right now with very flexible hours. So if you're looking for kind of a unique schedule or being able to structure things around your own lifestyle, then these are some of the best companies to look at. So one is answerconnect.com. They are currently hiring right now in 2020. They are a 24/7 live answering service for different types of calls, so lots of work-at-home reception type jobs are going to be found here, so you can go to the bottom of answerconnect.com, click careers, and you can see on this page that you can kind of self-schedule around when is best for you to work, and then you can of course get some pretty decent benefits like 401k with matching, flexible scheduling, being able to telecommute, paid holidays, dental insurance, all kinds of stuff like that, and of course you are working completely from home. So usually it'll say we're hiring right here, and then you can click on that to find what's available. So right now they have like a remote business support associate, remote bilingual business support associate, client services representative, and sales representative. So most of the things you find here are going to be customer support or sales related. So just to show you what one of these application pages looks like, I'll show you the remote business support associate. Just click apply for this job to see more about it, and then you can click where you are located and then apply for it. So then you can click the ones on that listed. It will send you to a page that tells you a little bit more about it, so you'll see that you need to be quick on your feet taking inbound calls and messages, and it's basically just customer support, 40-hour weekly schedule. So they'll tell you your responsibilities, skills that you're going to need for the job, your system, which is basically your home office setup. You need at least a speed operating system, whether it's Windows 8 or 10. Most Macs are compatible, but being able to work from anywhere in the United States. And then of course you can fill out the form at the bottom to apply, so they have a lot of jobs available. It's not just one here, you have a bunch of different ones here. Medical associate, dedicated Lex receptionist. Then you have some other things like bilingual business support associate, client services rep, and sales rep. So another one that you can check out, especially if you like jobs where you don't have to necessarily do customer support or be on the phone with people all the time, is inside.com. So you can see how to spell it there. It's kind of a strange name, but when you go here, it is a German company that is built to kind of make WordPress plugins. So a WordPress plugin is just kind of like an add-on to a WordPress website or blog, which is what about 30 or 40% of the entire internet is now. So when you go to inside.com jobs, you'll end up on a team that looks like this. They'll have a video about what's like to work there and things like that, and then when you scroll down some more where it says join us, you can see a few different things available. So you have like of them developer, PHP developer, and initiative application right there. So for instance, if you want to look at say a PHP developer, if you have some web development skills, you can apply here pretty much anytime. They will usually have a couple work from home jobs related to some kind of web development, but they are a 100 remote team at this company, and they have flexible working hours, as you can see right there. So you can kind of, just as long as you get your work done, you can kind of work the hours that you want to work. But they also give you a hardware budget for full-time employees, so you can actually build your home office the way you like it based on the budget they give you, plus whatever of your own vacation, 10 sick days. So for this particular job, obviously the main tasks will vary, but you will work with other WordPress developers. Development of new plugins will be a big part of your job, of course. Solve bugs, address client issues, and things like that. As far as what they're looking for, intermediate or expert skills in PHP, JavaScript, WordPress, deep experience in PHP, experience using Git and SVN. So there's a lot of things. Of course that will vary depending on the position. This is just one of the ones that's available right now. But as a company, Inside is one that gives you really flexible hours and lots of really good benefits, so you can of course apply for any of the jobs that you see fit. Another company hiring right now with flexible hours is called Mule, which basically does custom labels, packaging for food, beverages, and medical and essential services and things like that. So to find their jobs page, just go to stickermule.com careers, and then you can see some of their benefits on this page. And then when you're ready, you can click join our team to find their job. So you get to work when you wherever you want. This is a worldwide fully remote company, flexible hours. And choose your work schedule. That is one of the big options here. Health and dental insurance. And a lot of other things as well. So as far as that goes, you can go to the bottom of the page where it says current openings and look for anything that says remote next to it on the right side. So right now they have a Go engineer, JavaScript engineer and site reliability engineer. So if you have like web development experience, that might apply to any one of these. You can go ahead and apply. So they have a JavaScript engineer as an example for one of the jobs here, and then you can see that they want you to know things like Docker, Next.js, React, Node.js and a lot of other things as well for this particular job. What's also nice is they actually tell you the benefits at the bottom of these. So you can see this is a 6-figure plus job that you can do completely from home, which is very nice. You don't see a lot of work from home jobs that pay that well. So as far as a company that pays well and gives you really flexible hours, this is one of the better ones. So check out stickermule.com careers and see what they have available. Another one is called Attentive.com, and they are a company collaboration platform. If you go to the bottom of Attentive, you'll find their jobs there next to terms of service. And usually they just have maybe 1 or 2 jobs available at a time, at least every time that I've checked this website, but they usually are fairly high-paying jobs, and they also give you the ability to have flexible hours as well. So like right now they have a senior developer as an example, and they want you to have several years of development and work experience being able to manage multiple projects at once. And things like that they want you to be proficient in Node.js by Python and Miscel as well as NoSQL, and this pays $9,000 to $11,500 per year depending on your experience. So flexible schedule, paid time off, bonuses, and again very high-paying work from home job. You can apply by sending an email to contact@attentive.com right there. And then last but not least, seatcaster.com. This is more if you're into something a little more laid back, a little bit easier. It's actually more like data entry type work. So when you go to the bottom of zaster.com, it'll say we're hiring. You click that if they are hiring. You can apply here on this page that I'm showing you. So basically they want people that can do data entry work, can work 5 to 20 hours per week, and you get to choose the hours that you work as well. So data entry can be the main type of work you're going to be doing, $15 an hour. And then again you can just submit your application to become a editor by filling out the form on the right side. Need an internet connection. They do also want you to be either within a 100 miles or so of where they are located, or at least be familiar with the area. So being a work from home job, you should be able to still apply if you are not near that area. But other than that, those are a few different websites to check every once in a while. If you're looking for something that has very flexible hours but still pays pretty well to let you work from home as far as research on these jobs, I recommend Glassdoor.com as an example, where you can read reviews from employees before you apply. So like Answer Connect is an example here, 3 reviews, so far 2.9 out of 5 stars. And of course more reviews will keep coming in, so if it's a newer company, check Glassdoor. If it's an older company, you can usually check Glassdoor as well. But Indeed might actually have more reviews for older companies, so if you check Indeed, you'll see another example of Attentive, 3.5 out of 5 stars, only 2 reviews so far, but more should come in as the years go by. So those are a few ways that you can find some flexible work from home jobs, a few different websites to check every once in a while, and some of them pay really well, as you can see. And then of course I always recommend you do your research, read some reviews from employees before applying. Thank you for watching my video. If you do like my video, please subscribe my channel.